new to pumping and feeling a little overwhelmed, take a deep breath. You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use a manual breast pump step by step in the easiest and safest way possible. No electricity, no complicated buttons. Just simple, effective pumping. Whether you're heading back to work, building a freezer stash, or just need relief from engorgement, a manual pump can be a total lifesaver. Let's get started. Before you begin, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Make sure all parts of your manual pump are clean and completely dry. If it's brand new, sterilize it, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Clean equipment helps protect your baby from bacteria. Safety always comes first. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can relax. Sit upright in a chair with good back support. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Stress can actually reduce milk flow, so take a few slow, deep breaths. It may help to look at a photo of your baby or hold a piece of your baby's clothing. That emotional connection can stimulate letdown naturally. Place the breast shield over your nipple, making sure your nipple is centered inside the flange. Your nipple should move freely inside the tunnel without rubbing against the sides. If it feels tight or painful, you may need a different flange size. A proper fit makes a huge difference in comfort and milk output. Now gently squeeze the handle of the manual pump. Start with slow, gentle squeezes to stimulate your letdown reflex. Think of it like how your baby would start nursing, soft and rhythmic. After about a minute or two, once milk starts flowing, you can increase your rhythm slightly. Try a steady squeeze, release pattern. You don't need to squeeze as hard as possible. Pumping should never feel painful. If it hurts, ease up. Once milk is flowing, keep a consistent rhythm. Most moms find a pace that feels natural, usually about 1 squeeze per second. If your hand gets tired, pause for a few seconds and gently massage your breast. Breast massage can actually help increase milk output. Switch breasts every 10 to 15 minutes, or when the milk flow slows down significantly. Total pumping time is usually around 20 to 30 minutes. Once you're done pumping, carefully remove the bottle and secure it with a lid. Label it with the date and time. Freshly pumped breast milk can sit at room temperature for about 4 hours, in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, and in the freezer for about 6 months for best quality. Always follow proper milk storage guidelines to keep your baby safe. After every session, take apart your manual pump completely. Wash all parts that came into contact with breast milk in warm, soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry on a clean towel. Proper cleaning prevents bacteria buildup and keeps your pump working efficiently. Bonus tips for better milk output. Here are a few quick tips to help maximize your pumping sessions. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Pump around the same times each day to build consistency. Try gentle breast massage before and during pumping. Relaxed stress can reduce supply. Remember, every mom's body is different. Don't compare your output to anyone else's. Encouragement for new moms. If you're struggling with low output, discomfort, or just figuring things out, that's completely normal. Pumping is a learning process. It gets easier with time. You are doing an amazing job. Feeding your baby, however you choose to do it, is something to be proud of. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe and share it with another mama who might need it. You've got this, Mom.